Hi, this is Matt Mountain with Sikich, and this is a high-level overview of the MGA template that we have built for the insurance industry in order to better support the agencies that they work with. In looking at my screen, you can see that we built an MGA application that includes the tabs listed up here. Leads tab is primarily used for prospective agencies, and we have a whole process built out in order to turn a prospective agency through the process to become an appointed agency. Once they become an appointed agency, and you can see here we're looking at the Powers Insurance Agency, we're able to track a lot of information as it relates to them. Not only here at the top, high-level information that we want to be able to see at a glance, but as we scroll down, we can see that we've got a couple of graphs here that help us interpret all of the performance data below into something meaningful. You can see that we've got policy and premium data here that typically would come in from another system. You can set their goals around premium and policies written, and then based upon the data in the system, it can give you the actual measures as to how well they're doing. We can also track their submissions to quotes, quotes to written, and submission to written, as well as the retention. Yeah, we're selling policies, but are they retaining their customers? Speaking of submissions, what we have here is a related object where we can not only track the submissions, but we can turn those submissions into prospective policy records. As we're working with the agency on that specific case, and that case then turns to be a written policy, we have something built in here that will automatically create the renewal opportunity for you. The renewal opportunity then can spawn a process with X number of steps. The first step is typically to review the loss runs, and you might want that scheduled 90 days prior to the due date for the next policy. And the nice thing about Salesforce is you can have a lot of tasks created, all due at different dates, all assigned to different people. Speaking of processes, you may need to have an endorsement process, and we have built one out such that you have an existing policy, a change needs to be made to that policy, so you can actually start a process around different people doing different things to make sure that the process is standardized and done within a timely period. We also track commissions. So for every written policy, you track the carrier, you track the agency commission, as well as your own commission, and you're able to then produce reports as to how much is owed to the carriers, how much is owed to the agencies, as well as your commission amount. And then finally, we put together a dashboard here around agency production, where you can take a look at different attributes of these agents. And all of this data, as I had mentioned, is on the agency record around policies and premium and other things, but whether it's fastest growing, whether it's loss ratios, what have you. And as you click into any one of these components, we go from the dashboard tab over to the report tab, and we can see the meaningful data behind it. So this is a high-level overview of the MGA template that we built on the Financial Services Cloud. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at sikich.com/contact-us, or give us a call at 877-279-1900. Thanks.